Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. Again, like in yesterday's video, I'd like to apologize if my voice sounds a bit messed up. I got a little bit of a sore throat, but hopefully you won't mind. Anyway, today marks a momentous occasion as we celebrate PulseChain's 1 month anniversary. Let's get this crypto. And let me tell you, the momentum's never been stronger. And you already know, PulseChain has been consistently delivering with the 1% daily rewards. The price right now we're sitting at $17.57. It's been on a absolute tear. We went as high as $18.30, but it's looking like we're about to ascend again. I know a lot of you say that you can't do TA on a ROI DApp, but this looks super bullish to me on a 4-hour short. As you can see, even though we're still climbing, the stochastic RSI is going down, meaning we might be looking at another huge leg up. Let's get this crypto. So there's absolutely no surprise that those previously skeptical are starting to jump in on this amazing opportunity. Man, it's a fantastic time to be a part of this movement. Like, just think about the journey that we have been through. From the initial days when the naysayers doubted us, ridiculed our branding, to now. We've absolutely shattered expectations, skyrocketed from an initial price of $2 to an all-time high of $65. We went down to $11, which, hey, I don't want to brag, but I perfectly timed this dip and bought up some more pDRIP tokens. Again, look at it, $11, look at the RSI, boom, boom. You already know, the RSIs don't lie. Let's get this crypto. And man, our community's strength shines through. Just check out the amount of content being created about PulseChain. It's easier to rave about success, but the real heroes recognized PulseChain's potential even in its early days. Man, shout out to all of the content creators out there like Moonshot Max, Experienced Crypto 24/7, DeFi Gardener, Crypto Neptune, Crypto God 420, S Crypto 101, and all the others. Like, there are so many I can't even keep count anymore. And you already know, we aren't just about crypto. We got anthems, bangers, knockers, crafted by the talented lyricists Hustleman Matt and DeFi Proof. And you have been listening to these tracks in the background of this entire video. You already know. The bars are insane. I'm not gonna lie, I've been listening to these songs on repeat while I'm doing work and stuff, because they are actually like good. So, the key highlights over the past month: a staggering 32x from the pre-sale price, and right now we're up 9x. We got a thriving garden with a total value locked at almost $500,000. You know, the garden in itself could be a completely separate project, cause it has brought in some massive engagement. And why wouldn't it? You know, think about earning 1.5% daily on your Pulse, on your pDRIP, on your PulseX, Hex, BTC, Atropa, Teddy Bear, and even USDC stable coins. And the amazing part is, all of the taxes are used for buybacks for the pDRIP token. And don't get me started on the marketplace with the sizzling PulseChain faucets that are up for sale We only got 3 for sale right now, which one of them is mine, this one for 7 million Pulse tokens, which got 22.36 locked pDRIP in it right now. Let me see how much that is in PLS. So let me paste it right here. 87, copy. Let's go over to PulseX. So yeah, almost at $400. I'm selling it for $320. That's about a 20% discount. So if you're looking to get in at a 20% discount, hey, this might be a opportunity. And that's not even it. Like, Hustleman Matt, he's a freaking genius, dude. He's got a forward-thinking strategy with external revenue sources, like he's got a partnership with SparkSwap and an up-and-coming Aqua Blaze game, which will guarantee us a bright future ahead. Let's get this crypto. Okay, so if you're like, come on Holger, tell me already, how do I get in? How do I get in? It's actually super simple. All you need to do is copy my body address that is in the description and in the comment section down below. Head over to this Teams tab. You paste my body address and click change, and bada bing bada boom, you are in. All you need to do now is just quickly swap some PLS for some pDRIP tokens. The minimum investment is 10 pDRIP to open a faucet, but you gotta think of the taxes as well. It's about 10%, I think, to start a faucet, so I would suggest you get at least 11 pDRIP tokens, and then you just head over to faucet and put in the amount, bing bing, and you open, or first you have to approve, and then you can open your faucet. I got a super detailed guide on exactly how to do it in the description and in the comment section down below, so check that out as well. And hey, shout out to my freaking team. Shout out to my 5 crypto capitalists. You already know I'm airdropping every single Sunday. I got no minimum requirements, so everybody gets an airdrop every single Sunday. Great way to grow your faucet quickly if you got a small faucet. And of course, I'm making update posts in my Telegram group on a daily basis, because there's just so freaking much to talk about this project. You can decide on your strategy for compounding and claiming by yourself. You can dive deeper by exploring their extensive documentation, which I will leave in the description box down below. Right now, I'm just compounding. I got a video about the Garden Infinite Money Loop, which you can check out. That's one of the strategies that I'm doing, as well as, and if I'm claiming something, I usually claim from this wallet and put it over in this wallet. But no profit taking yet. No. Delayed gratification. That's the key. The key to wealth. You have no idea how happy and how grateful I am for getting into this project at the pre-sale price, because yeah, in just 1 month pDRIP has emerged as a front runner on PulseChain. This is a true testament to our community's hard work, dedication and belief. So if you're interested in this project, don't miss the gains train. As we move forward, we are gearing up for even bigger milestones, and yeah, I'm so freaking optimistic for this project and for the future of this project and for PulseChain overall. This is the future anyway. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please like, comment, subscribe, check out my Telegram group, but most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.